Guys, how much do you think this box is worth? Now, I want you to take a look who's on here. We've got Tua Tagovailoa, we've got Joe Burrow, and we have Jordan Love. How much do you think this box is worth? Also, how much do you think this box is worth? Once again, we have Joe Burrow, and we have some other rookies here. In this video, I'm going to show you, one more. How much do you think these water balloons are worth? In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm able to make a couple dollars every single month, pay off some bills, simply reselling items. Make sure you watch this entire video to learn how you can get started too. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to secure some of these cards actually on accident and how I'm able to make a few dollars every single month and pay off a couple bills simply selling items to resell. Now, the first thing that you want to do, and my first recommendation, is to not go out and buy things just yet. What I recommend that you do is look around your house and find items that can be resold. Everything from old video games, actually this Apple Watch here. Just look around your house, see what you can have, see what you have, and that can be resold. And that's how I got started. I sold a bunch of old video games that I wasn't playing anymore. In fact, I sold a video game that I wish I had back, NCAA College Football 14. I wish I had back because it's now really, really expensive. So that's the first thing that you want to do. You want to go out and just gather all of this stuff that might have some value. The next thing you want to do is you want to take a look at, if you have kids, take a look at the Christmas presents they got maybe a year or two ago. Most likely, and it's January now, most likely whenever they get new Christmas or birthday presents, the old stuff kind of gets pushed to the back. So if you're looking for a way to clean out your junk, clean out the toy bin or the toy box, find different items that aren't being played with. Maybe your kids have outgrown a few of those. That's another opportunity to make money as well. So once you have a good 15 or 20 items, what I like to do is just simply go over to eBay. And with eBay, you can basically look stuff up. You can set your own price, and you can also do bidding. But what I would do is I would actually use that to kind of start your reselling journey so that you're not coming out of pocket and you're not investing in things that might not have a return on investment. So that's step one. Go around your house, find stuff that maybe a side hustle that you started and you didn't finish. Maybe you upgraded something. Maybe you upgraded a pressure washer or something like that, and you want to get rid of the old one. Take a look at what you have lying around. Step two, once you start making some money, you listed it on eBay and you start making some money, that's when you can reinvest. And I'll tell you, these basketball, football cards and baseball cards are actually kind of hard to get because of everything that's gone over the last 2 years. And so I actually got these on accident by going over to Target. And what I did when I went to Target is I walked into Target and I was looking over at the sports cards because I heard it was a hot topic. People were buying them. And so I just went about 3 o'clock every day just to kind of get a feel of the land, get a lay of the land. And I noticed something. I saw people starting to mill about around 3 p.m., 3:30 every single day. And one day I walked in and I saw a guy refilling these shelves, and I just struck up a conversation with him. I wasn't aggressive. I wasn't trying to harvest cards. I just said, "Hey, look, I hear cards are back in style now. And so what would I need to do to go ahead and get me a card?" And he talked about how people were following around from store to store to store and quickly buying everything up. And if you are a human, don't be a weird robot where you're just talking about gimme, gimme, gimme. Strike up a conversation, be honest with the guy, say, I had interesting cards. I used to have an Allen Iverson card that was worth $15 or whatever it is. But then he'll tell you, I usually come around X day of the week at this store, and he'll give you some pointers. But what you can do, and if I bring up eBay here, you can see that this box here has the potential to go for $129. Now I paid $30 for this box. The reason why it has the potential to go for 3 or 4 times what it's worth is simply because of the players that are potentially included in this box. This box actually includes Joe Burrow rookie cards that could even be signed. So the amount of money that you could potentially make from these boxes, it actually goes up. So one of the keys that I recommend is to go out and try and find things that are scarce, that have an elevated or maybe over valued asset, kind of like these box of cards. Another thing that you can do is you can actually use something like Bed Bath & Beyond. Now, what I did and what you can do is at Bed Bath & Beyond, go take a look at the clearance. And the reason why this works is simply because the price of something in Wisconsin can be much cheaper or less expensive than somewhere in California or New York. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go to Bed Bath & Beyond and we can take a look at the clearance rack. So if we're just going to, we're going to do control find and do clearance, CLEAR right there. Whoops, clearance. So we click on clearance and savings. And what you can do is just go through. For example, we're going to click on kitchen and we're simply going to take a look at different products. Now, this is going to require a little bit of time because not everyone is going to be the best value. So we can click on this one. We're just going to open it up in a new tab. We're going to copy and paste this right into eBay to see if it's worth more than $79. If it is worth more than $79, we can do a little bit of arbitrage where we pay one amount and get it and make more in return. So if we paste it in just like this, hit enter, you're going to see that it is going potentially for $109. Whereas over here on Bed Bath & Beyond, it's $79. Now, again, the reason for that is because in one place, it's less expensive than somewhere else. So if we go back over here just like this, so the median number is going to be somewhere between $79 and $110. This could be something that you invest in. And what I would actually do is I wouldn't buy it until you have a buyer for it. And then what you can do is actually ship it directly to them. So that is just one way. We can go back over here and do it again and again and again, finding different products. So we can open this up just like this and we can test this again. Now, again, this is going to take a decent amount of time because you are actively finding deals. Another option you can do is you can use something like Retail Me Not and then flip it over here onto eBay. So once again, you're going to use an app like Retail Me Not or use an app where they only offer deals in your local area. And then you can post it back on eBay and potentially make money. Another thing that you could do is actually use Facebook Marketplace. So as you can see here, this product is $63, I believe. Let's take a look. Yep, $63.99. And over on eBay, you can see that they're going. So this would not be a good deal, maybe for $99 here. But another thing that you can do is go over to Facebook Marketplace, as I mentioned, Facebook Marketplace, and find different deals. And the thing is people over on Facebook Marketplace, they're usually just looking to get rid of something quickly. So you find it for one price. So like Paw Patrol Ultimate Fire Truck, buy it for $25. You can even negotiate them down to maybe 10 or 15. So Paw Patrol Ultimate Fire Truck, and then we come back over to eBay once again, and we paste it in and see if it's going for more than just 25. So 35, 49, 35, 54. The only drawback is you want to make sure that all of the toys are included. But you can see that this is a much better way to make money where you're doing arbitrage. Let's see if we can find another one here. Dinnerware set, $40. Let's see how much they're going for over on eBay. So we're just going to copy this once again like this, hop on over to eBay and paste it in. So you have a few different options. One is to find stuff that's laying around your house. Two is to, once you make some money, to try and reinvest it. If you see here, this is pretty identical. It's actually cheaper over on eBay, but you can see this could actually be a really easy way to start making some money. This is actually scratched and looks terrible, but you can see here there's lots of opportunity to make money. Tons of fishing gear. I wonder how much fishing gear would go for over on eBay. This is actually going to be a pretty cool way. So we can type in fishing just like this, hit enter, and you're going to see fishing gear is going to go for much more than just $1. You can list them individually and make much more of your money back. So just to recap, one thing that you want to do is look around your house. I've got this wireless mouse here. You can sell that for a couple bucks. Once you start making some money, you can reinvest in these other ways, whether it's going to Target in the morning. That's another thing that I actually stumbled into is if you go to Target first thing in the morning, some of the stuff, the hot items are going to be there. Another thing that you can do is you can use a website like Bed Bath & Beyond, check out their clearance. Walmart might even have a clearance as well. Another thing that you can do is take advantage of Facebook Marketplace. Another option is to use other local websites like Retail Me Not, or some of the downloadable apps, and then turn around and sell it on eBay. And then you only pay money when you actually have to ship it out. So you can see there are 4 or 5 different ways that you can make money. There's all sorts of stuff here, like PS4 Slim. If we type in PS4, so we could do PS4 Slim like that. And we can see that they are asking for 200, which is going to be kind of expensive for an older model like this. But if we look, people are getting, let's see, these are all PS4 275, maybe 274, 207. So you could get 100. You could make $200 or so buying products over on Facebook Marketplace and then reselling them, and then you pocket the difference. This would allow you to make a decent amount of money. Now that you know 5 different ways to make money reselling items, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.